Welcome to the Natural Cures and Tips channel. Here, you'll find a wealth of information on health and wellness, with a focus on natural solutions to take care of your body and mind. Our goal is to provide practical and accessible tips that help you improve your quality of life and prevent disease naturally. We know that the day-to-day rush often prevents us from paying due attention to our health, so we want to bring you simple and effective tips that can be easily incorporated into your routine. Join us and discover how small changes can make a big difference in your health and well-being. Garlic is a plant whose bulb is widely used as a spice in cooking, but it also has medicinal properties. Rich in sulfur compounds, especially allicin, garlic has antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antihypertensive action, in addition to nourishing the body with minerals such as potassium, calcium and magnesium. Garlic can help fight viruses, fungi and bacteria, prevent colon cancer, protect heart health and regulate blood pressure, improve inflammatory diseases, prevent respiratory diseases and keep the brain healthy, and help control diabetes. Frequent consumption of garlic can improve memory and promote learning, making it a food with great potential to improve overall health. Regular consumption of garlic can be beneficial for overall health due to its functional properties. In addition to sulfur compounds, garlic also contains vitamin C and B vitamins, which are important for the health of the immune system and nervous system. Garlic is also a good source of phenolic compounds, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory action and can help prevent chronic diseases such as arthritis and osteoporosis. Studies indicate that garlic can have positive effects on the cardiovascular system, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease. Garlic can help decrease the formation of plaque in the arteries, which can lead to a reduced risk of stroke and heart attack. Furthermore, regular consumption of garlic can help improve blood circulation and lower blood pressure, helping to prevent cardiovascular problems. Another benefit of garlic is its ability to improve digestion. Garlic can help regulate gut flora and reduce inflammation in the GI tract, which can help prevent conditions like irritable bowel syndrome and Crohn's disease. Additionally, garlic can help increase the production of digestive enzymes, improving nutrient absorption and helping to prevent constipation. Garlic may also have anti-aging properties. Studies indicate that regular consumption of garlic can help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can lead to younger, healthier-looking skin. In addition, garlic can help improve skin elasticity and prevent wrinkles from forming. In summary, garlic is a food with a wide variety of functional properties that can help improve overall health. From its antimicrobial properties to its ability to improve digestion and prevent chronic diseases, regular consumption of garlic can bring many benefits to the body. However, it is important to remember that garlic should not be used as a substitute for proper medical treatment and that overconsumption of garlic can have unwanted side effects. We've reached the end of another video from the Natural Cures and Tips channel. We hope that the information and tips shared have been useful and that you can put them into practice to take even more care of your health and well-being. Our commitment is to always bring relevant and reliable content to help you live better and with more quality of life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any news. To the next.